I'm going out to a job. The guy said it sounds like a broken spring. I'm heading over there now. What I do is I Google the house sometimes and I see what kind of door is on there just to give me a picture. They look like they have a carriage house kind of door, a steel one though. So sometimes they have odd springs on there. So I don't know what springs I'm going to use yet. So I can't tell you. All you guys looking to sign up, GarageDoorTrainingschool.com. We have the best course out there. We have so many people that have gotten into our business, sent us videos and telling you how much they liked it and all that. We're going to be putting that on our website soon. Anyway, when I get there, I'll put on this new GoPro that we got. You know, how old is the house? Is the house really old?
20 years.
So that's probably the original door they put in with it. That's probably when they're kind of the thing to get. You got 4 springs. See that? One there, 2 over here. Taking off all the tension on all the springs. Remember, you got 4 of them now. See all the way across? One of them's broke. See, now the cables are off. What you want to see is the cables loose, like this. Okay. Okay, now I got all the springs on. Just got to wind them up. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but that's $1,500 for a spring change. Anyway, that took me about an hour. There are 4 springs. And then I was farting around with the travel things, but it ended up being the motor and the travel module on there. So he's gonna order it. It's under warranty, and I'm gonna be back there probably next week. Talk at you. We've had a good response on these mini remotes. So all you guys that are ordering those, I wanna thank you. If you install them for them when you're out there, they usually tell someone, oh, I got these new remotes, and then they want them, and they tell them who to call, and it'll be you. I think it's a great idea, great little thing to have to offer your customers. Anyway, enough about that. We'll go back to garage doors. Let me teach you. You guys will be making great money. We're gonna teach you how to not only do garage doors the right and simple way, I'm gonna also teach you how to market yourself, how to get jobs, how to talk to the customers, how to do everything. I'll teach you the way you're gonna get it. You're not gonna waste your time and try to do things hard. There's no reason you guys can't go into this business charging exactly what I'm charging. We give you price sheets too. It's gonna work, I'm just telling you. And people just keep calling. So anyway, I'll talk at you. All you gotta do is go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys wanna get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.